Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a car aerial to be unpacked and fit onto my Peugeot 107. Inside the package we have a small aerial and various different attachments with washers. This is the existing aerial. It's very long and just needs replacing. This is the size difference. You can see it's a lot shorter and stubbier. Just removing the aerial with a pair of pliers. And as you can see, this has a female thread and the aerial from the factory fitted one has the male thread. So the aftermarket one doesn't have a male thread on there. You will have to look through these various different threads that they have here to find one that will fit the car. Once you found the correct attachment, fit it on with the washer. And here is how it's looking now. A little before and after shot.